today we're going to be doing a very vibrant eye look. We're going to be using the Sweetest Tea Morph, another round. We're going to put that directly on our eyelid. The next color we're using is Moody. We're going to be using a blending brush. This is from the Melt Cosmetic, the water zodiac sign one. And we are going to bring it out like I normally like to do. Bring it in. I love these two colors together. They really work for some reason, even though it doesn't seem like they should, but they just do. And now the other side. And remember to bring it kind of out and in, and this is going to really lift up your eye and give you a really nice shape. Now it is time for mascara. This is the final look. It kind of reminds me of a unicorn. It was a lot of fun to do. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed, and I'll see you next time.